Ooh, nice entry. So, welcome back to the lecture number 8 of current and electricity. Alright, so we already learned about that what should be the formula for the series combination and the parallel combination of resistance. And today we are going to apply that one in various resistance. So let's move on. Okay, so as you can see, we already know this one. If we got series combination with R1 R2 resistance, then we can write the equivalent resistance must be equal to the summation of them. Okay, if we got the same resistances with parallel combination, then we can write the equivalent resistance 1 by R equivalent, that is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, the reciprocal addition of them. Okay, so the first question is given to us, that is a 3 resistors are there, 1 ohm, again 1 ohm. How we will solve this? Is that in parallel combination or is that in series combination? We have to figure it out. Alright, so always we will check from this terminals. Suppose in this terminal, if you take it like this and stretch it, so it will look like 1, then 2, then 3 after stretching it. So you are getting 3 R1, R2, R3 resistances in series combination, and we know in series combination we have to add them to get the equivalent resistance. So R equivalent should be 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is not 1 plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1 ohm, which is giving you 3 ohm. So in this case the equivalent resistance for this circuit is 3 ohm. So let's move on to the next one. Alright, so the second question given as this, where you can find that these 3 are quite okay, but this part is little bit annoying. Why? We have to understand that what does it trying to give you, what kind of combination. Alright, so if you press it a little bit or you can stretch it like the previous one, you will get this type of combination, where you can see the upper two, these two are in series combination. Alright, so let's solve those two first. Okay, if you solve those two first, you will get Rs, that is equal to R plus R. We know that the series combination, that is addition, and you are getting 2R, that is this equivalent part. You are putting that 2R over here and you are getting this kind of circuit, where now check out. So this upper equivalent part is in the parallel combination with the lower resistance. Okay, so we know also the formula of parallel combination and we are going to apply this one. That is 1 by Rp equal to 1 by R plus 1 by 2R. While you are getting that by taking that common factor 1 by R, it is becoming 3 by 2. So the total Rp, by making it reciprocal, it is 2R by 3. You can also try that by yourself. You will understand it quite better from there. And last one, while you taking this whole part as the equivalent part, now this whole part is become 2R by 3. Alright, so as you can see, now this thing is very easy, where these are in series combination. We just have to add them together. So while you are adding those 3 together, you are getting 8R by 3. Is this finished? No. The R value is given to you and this is 3 ohm. So my R equivalent value, that is 8R by 3. If you put the 3 in the place of R, you will get that 3 will cancel and the whole answer will be 8 ohm. So let's move on to the next one. Alright, so this is the question number 3 and 4. We will solve it together. You might be thinking you are pro now, we will do it together. No, not like that. Actually, you can observe these two circuits look quite similar, but one difference is there. If you quite observe this one, this part is middle part is not actually connected with this terminal. This is a short part between these two regions. Okay, while this part in here is connected directly with terminal A and B. So that will make a big difference over here. Let's check out the question number 3 first. Alright, so in this case, as you can see, if you simplify that one by compressing this, you will get this type of circuit. And to just remember that this middle part will not contribute any flow of electrons from there. You can also think by very easily that while electrons is coming over here, they are colliding with each other. They can't pass through there. So they are directly passing from here to there, from A to B or B to A, whatever you will connect as battery. So in this case, this part is doing nothing. So we will not take this part. We will not calculate this part. So after avoiding that part, you will get a simple circuit. I am adding these two as they are in series combination. Suppose if you avoid that middle part, you will get two series combination also in here. And while after solving this series combination, you are getting two parallel combination, and that is very easy one. You know that how to solve it. And so this is the calculation over here where you are getting R equivalent equal to R. And coming to question number 4 right now. As you can see, these three are connected with terminal A and B directly. So if you compress this one like this, so you will get this kind of equivalent structure where this two part is in series. We will solve that, it will become 2R. Below this two part also in series, we will solve that, it is also coming as 2R. And this three now in parallel combination. And after putting this in formula, we are getting that R equivalent equal to R by 2. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Put your comments and give your suggestion. Thank you for today. Goodbye.